Are people going to masturbate to this?
Like, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me introduce.
Oh, it's filming?
It is. Okay, let me start off. Hello, internet friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be eating some food, and I'm here with my beautiful dear friend, Shuggy, Sugar Ma'am. You want to introduce yourself?
Yo, what's up, cunts? You ready to get fucking disemboweled?
People already think I'm weird. Now they're gonna be like, okay, literal cream. Like, who are your friends?
All our friends are in my trunk. Fucking killed all of them. If you got friends, I'm gonna kill them too. That's what you do with your friends. It's a good bonding experience. It's called murder. To death. If you know people, make sure they're dead.
I'm Little Cream and I don't endorse this message. So when I eat burritos, I don't usually get a plate. I just rip the bag it comes in and I eat off of that. Do you want a plate or do you?
No, plates are for cunts.
True. And you need to heat it up because we're kind of in the car for a little bit.
Nah, that's for faggots.
Is Literal Cream a homophobe? Literal Cream exposed. And I have a confession, you guys. My whole life is a lie. I was on YouNow yesterday. Someone was asking me about the origin of Literal Cream, and I was like, this girl back in March 2017 was like, you can't eat Oreos, they're not vegan, that's Literal Cream, you bitch. And I was like, actually they are vegan. And I sent her the screenshot on Google where it said that Oreos are vegan. And then someone on my YouNow stream was like, no, they're not vegan. So I went and looked it up, and as of February 15th of 2018, it says they're not vegan. So, you guys, my whole life has been a lie. It really was Literal Cream, you bitch. And I just had to confess that.
So join the Patreon and help us kill this fucking cunt.
I don't have a Patreon.
You do now.
So I don't really know how mukbang works. I think you just
Rub your genitals against the food.
like eat food, and like the more obnoxious it is, I think the better.
Okay, so like sexy?
I don't know. So yummy.
I just ejaculated from the taste of this fucking spinach. I'm a full orgasm right now. Oh.
I feel like people are gonna be really disgusted by this. Like, the only ones I've watched are from Trisha Paytas. Have you seen her videos?
Yeah.
So good. So I got this burrito. It's a Thai burrito. It has tofu, coleslaw, rice, and a peanut sauce. It's really good.
Yeah, this burrito's so fucking good that dog's at orgasm too.
Oh, there he goes. Probably my neighbor walking by.
I killed that fucker, little doggy. Yeah.
So yummy! Is this your first YouTube experience?
Maybe.
Well, I feel honored.
With this large an audience, I think, yeah.
I think I'm up to 600 now. So, I can say I'm pretty famous.
Oh, wow. So, while I'm in the spotlight, I would just like to give people knowledge that I fully support necrophilia. We are an oppressed people, and it is my job in life to make sure that people are aware of necrophilia awareness. We're people too. If you have a problem with necrophilia, then that is just plain fucking oppression. Don't you fucking necrophilia shame me, ever. Fucking necrophobes. Hate it. And go to fatshuggy.bandcamp.com if you would like to support necrophilia. Every dollar I make from my profits is used to spread necrophilia awareness. Thank you.
Okay, thanks for that message. If you're into necrophilia, go support Shuggy.
Oh yeah. Shit tastes like fucking an ass with boogers as fucking dildos, you know?
Oh, tell them about that guy that pulled over to you the other day and what you said to him.
Oh yeah. So the other day I was like walking down the street, like it was like after 1 a.m. and sort of like the outskirts of the city, I guess, and like this guy like was driving by and like he slows down the car, like sort of stopping the car, and like he rolls down the window and he's like, hey. So I turned to him and I'm like, hey faggot, you want to vomit down my ass? And then he just floors it.
There's definitely a good way to get people to fuck off.
I mean, I was just kind of wanting that guy to vomit down my ass, you know?
Oh,
I was just giving him an offer.
if he had said yes, would you have let him?
Yeah, of course.
A complete stranger?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You don't like when strangers vomit down your ass?
I mean, I can't say I don't like it because I've never tried it, but it does not appeal to me.
Faggot.
I just got back from Tennessee, you guys. I was there for a couple days, and I was doing my best to be vegan, but I didn't have a lot of food. I had mostly salads. Oh, and I had a pretzel. That was really good. But I was really looking forward to eating one of these when I got back. So good. So good. I think some people like to put on mukbangs while they eat so that they don't feel so lonely.
It's like the food is their friend.
Yeah, or like they're watching someone else eat while they're eating, so it's like a companion.
They're just like pretending to like rub their food together. Yeah. Here, that's the moment of the show now.
Yeah.
Rub your shit against my shit.
Oh, we gotta post for the thumbnail.
What's the thumbnail?
Like when you go to the YouTube page.
Oh yeah. So I mean, like, what do you want it to be?
I don't know, like hold up your food and like look sensual or something. And like make sure you look at the camera. Okay, we probably got one. I think we got one.
Fuck yeah, we got one. We did it.
So yummy. So yummy. You want any candy?
Oh, fuck yeah, you cunty little cunt, you chunk. I would love some fucking candy for my fucking ass.
I think it was left over from Halloween. We had a huge bowl of it when I came home last night.
Oh, yeah. Now you can pretend like this is your bite mark.
ASMR. I gotta get my dog.
You gonna vomit?
No.
Vomit, vomit, vomit. That was just you and me, audience. You gonna watch me eat this taco? You gonna watch me eat this taco, bitch? Are you gonna watch me eat this fucking taco, bitch? Yeah, you enjoying this? Me and the audience were having some good.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
I'm sure they like that.
Yeah, they like it when I eat the fucking taco. You like it. The dog's getting off to me eating too.
That's why our floors are so clean. Because he eats everything on them. So how's your food? Is it good?
Yeah, it's an orgasm in each bite. Oh yeah.
I love these burritos. I used to go to Chipotle in high school a lot with my friends. One time I was really stoned We went there and I was like, guys, am I acting normal? I can't tell. And I don't even remember if I ordered or if they ordered for me. The good old days.
Were you vegan back then?
Mm-mm.
What'd you eat?
I used to get a burrito with white rice. I think I got the black beans and chicken, guacamole, lettuce, tomato. I think that, oh, and sour cream. I think that was it.
Ooh, sour cream. That was when you were bad.
Literal sour cream.
Well, the audience would probably enjoy getting off to some sour cream. That sounds like a really sexy food to eat.
These are creamy mints.
Mmm.
Creamy mints and pure chocolate. Mmm.
Wow, that's sad. You can't eat any of this fucking candy.
No, I can't. I came home and we had like a huge bowl filled with it. And I think my mom took the rest of it to work because that's all that's left. Unless she just came down and ate it all in the middle of the night.
Yeah, this is hot. I'm just eating it with my hands, bitch. Oh, yeah. Wow.
Have you heard of sloshing? It's like a sexual thing where you just rub a bunch of food all over yourself. Like beans and cake. And I think the messier it is, the better.
Oh, yeah. Some fucking beans. It sounds really hot.
The napkin.
It's a fucking tissue, cunt.
Oh, sorry. There's one right there. It's so good. Oh, look at all those juices running down the foil.
Mmm.
Okay, but like the best part is the end when it's all like soaked in with the juices and you dump everything out and you just eat the skin. Like this is my favorite part of eating a burrito, is eating the skin.
Yeah. Mmm. That reminds me of what happened to that guy's scrotum.
You want some skin?
Sure. Oh, yeah. Ooh, it's nice and floppy.
It looks so disgusting.
Mm.
This is like the mukbang that people aren't gonna want to watch while they're eating.
Hey, this is the mukbang that they watch while they bang a corpse.
Do you have a favorite food? Like an actual favorite food, not intros.
You know, like scrotal fetus twins?
No. I didn't finish it. That's all I can stomach.
Now boof it.
No. So yummy!
What do you rate it?
I'm gonna go with like 10 out of 10. That's really good. I love these burritos. I get them all the time. People there know my order. How was yours?
I think it was good, but it needed like a pinch more pneumonia fluid. So I'm going to give it a sad 8.
Okay.
Yeah, the audience can pretend to lick my hand too.
ASMR. It's leaking. Let me throw this
Ooh,
out.
it's leaking. Ooh, you got the table.
You stop.
Ooh, it's so moist.
People are either gonna really like this video or be very disturbed by it.
I
I think that's the end.
Alright, peace out, motherfuckers. And just be aware that we fully support elderly abuse.
I'm Literal Cream and I do not endorse this message. Peace out.